Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I will be making 15 cards using the box of the month this month. This is called Be Magical. I am going to be using both paper pads as well as the sentiments from all three stamp sets. I'm bringing in enamel dots as well as these two ink pads from Stampin' Up! And the Highland Heather cardstock from Stampin' Up! As well. I will be creating 15 cards with Kendra's card challenge, and so let's take a look at all the cards I made. So here's the first card. I did add in all the recommendations that she suggested as far as adding in extra paper. Here's my second card. You can see I added the white enamel dots and stamped the sentiment hello on the pumpkin. Here's the third card, and some of the cards you'll notice they're not the correct sizing in some of them, and I'll let you know when that is. Here's another card with a carriage. So here's an example. I just sometimes just look at the picture and just eyeball it, but for some reason that's one of the instances where I should have looked at the size of the mat. And then here's another one, and I pretty much size my mat 1/8 inch unless I was looking at Kendra's instructions for the 1/4 inch border. Here's another one where I did not add a sentiment because I thought it's really super busy. This is kind of like an explosion of ephemera, but I really loved the look. And here's a simple one, and I stamped a day to remember. And on some of these, like if you're familiar with her current sketch right now, there are some pieces that are like super small, so I just tweaked it a bit. Here's a quick and simple one. I really like how this card turned out, and I mixed and matched the pattern papers, and they go well so nicely. Here's another one. One of the ephemeras came with a banner, so I just stamped the sentiment hello princess on there. Same thing with this one, and I know the shoes is like gigantic next to the girl, but it still works because it gives you like the Cinderella theme type thing. This one says fairy kisses, and here's the one where I just cut the strips instead of because I was like I need to cut it because I didn't find it in my pile. And yeah, so this completes my card share. We can take a look at it one more time. And while I'm showing it to you, just want to talk about the box of the month. It is still available on Jamie's shop. You can get a discount if you sign up for her subscription each month, or you can get it a la carte. She usually posts her extras the day of her release, so you can actually get some of the stamp sets and paper pads or ephemera which are extra on her site. Now I know this is a much shorter video than I normally do, but I thought it would be better to do a card share rather than share a full process because it'll take a really long time. But I will link to Kendra's channel as well as her website where you can obtain her sketches for free. She does a quarterly challenge and you have a chance to win prizes. And so yeah, thank you again so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. Let me know if you have a favorite, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.